Hello, fellow YouTubers. It is me again, Jerry the Journeyman, America's #1 DIY do-it-yourself, Mr. Fix-It, the Jerry of all trades. I do a lot of things. I fix things. So here, I want to show you something. I want to show you a little tip that I learned, okay? Here, I have a music CD, okay? Now the open CD, look, everything look fine, but look, okay. Now look on the CD right here. Look, okay. I put the reflection. Look at, oh my God, look at all those smudges. Oh, you see that, puppy dog? Look at those smudges. Oh, do you smell the, oh, you can probably smell. Yeah, it's probably, look how greasy. Somebody took the greasy fingertips. Say they were in their car and they reached into the Popeye chicken and they grab the disc to put inside the slot or inside their Discman where you attach. You know, sometimes you put the Discman if you have a cassette adapter and you put it in the cigarette player. Or they were eating the Wendy triple double, and then they got the thing. So they put the disc in, the music start playing, but you know the music start going guru 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 guru, and that means because the beat of the music is skipping. So I want to show you a trick on how to make the skipping come to an end. Like the greasy fingerprint. So what you would want to do is find some Windex maybe. Okay? You probably have some, but see, look, right there, Windex. Windex? Okay. But just say maybe you had an uncle and he had a dispute. He used to work for Johnson and Johnson Windex, so you guys don't want to use that. So you can always use a different brand. Here, Clorox glass wipes. Clorox, see, glass wipes. It's like the Windex, but different. But it comes with a little tissue. See, look right here, tissue, but it's dampened. It's all dampened with the cleaner. So what you could do, I guess, if you want to use this, then you could take the paper towel, the Windex. You spray, but don't put too much. You don't want it to drown in the Windex. You don't really need a little Windex. I tell you something, it go a long way. So, and for this instance, I'm just gonna use the little toilet wipe, the wipey here, because it's much easier and to do. So look, so I'm gonna pull out the disc. We got the Madonna, yeah, the Madonna disc. The CD, that's something to remember. It's a good CD. It's kind of like a compilation where it has a lot of her ballads, you know, like a ballad, like a slow song, you know, like more emotion. You know, a lot of Madonna songs, they got the dance, the beat, the boom, 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 you know, like the let's get to the groove, the borderline maybe, you know, like a virgin, you know, hung up, but this come out. But anyway, this got like the ballads, like Live to Tell, that's a good one from the True Blue record. Take a Bow from Bedtime Stories. You'll see from Bedtime Stories, Crazy for You. That was a very, very good song. You know, Oh Father, that was from the Like a Prayer record. But anyway, you're not here to learn the history of Madonna. But anyway, so look. So I take the disc. Okay, look, okay, puppy dog. I wish you could help me here, but you can't. So look, I'm gonna hold the disc. Maybe like it's just so hard to do like this. Look, okay. Now I'm gonna take the wipe, and I'm going to do a circular motion. Circular motion. Okay, but you don't want to grind it, because if you grind it, you never know, there might be a loose particle on the wipe, and it might do the scratch, which would cause a lot more harm than good. Now this trick might not work if you have deep scratches. If these scratches, it might work if you keep rubbing. You just keep doing the rub. You rub it. You massage. Say your yaya, your grandma yaya. Okay, she out in the garden. She planting some daisies or some roses, and she come inside and she go, oh, I'm so sore. Oh, I'm so sore. Oh, that's so sore. Oh, my little Patty Moo, I need you to give me a rub out the pain. So you know, like, so you don't want you don't want to hurt the yaya or the grandmother. So what you would do is you just do a nice soft circular motion, like, there you go. Okay, okay. Now look at this. Look, okay. I know it's hard to learn. It's hard to learn how to do a circular motion, but look. Okay, I'm gonna go like this. Okay, now it's hard. There we go. Okay, now I go like this, and it's hard to see because it's still a little wet. But look, all the fingerprints, they disappear. Okay, so now I don't have a Discman with me, but if I did, I can guarantee you 99.9% that when I slide the disc into the insert, the music will play. It won't be no scratches, no scratches. It plays smooth like a dachshund, like the fur of a dachshund. So anyway, that's all you have to do. Okay, is you take the CD real quick. You take the CD out of the case, flip it over, open can, pull out the towel. You take the towel. You do the rubbing, you rub, not too hard, remember, you don't want to do no damage. You do that, you let it dry, you put it in, and voila, brand new, just like it came right out of the record store, you know, just like you open the package, and it's like brand new, okay? That's all you have to do. It's mostly for fingerprints with like people with the greasy fingers. Remember, this probably won't take out deep scratches, but it could do some light because if you clean the dirt. But anyway, I really do hope that you learned a lot on this video. I just teach you all my knowledge that I've obtained over the years, being a professional journeyman / Mr. Fix-It. So anyway, YouTubers, I hope you watch this video, you fix your CD, and you get to listen to your music, and it bring happiness to your ears. So I look forward next time to see you, and you can learn some more tips. So thank you, and I appreciate it, and please follow my channel because I got so much good stuff for you. Thank you once again. Bye bye.